Hey honeys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shanae and this video will be a wig install. So today we are working with Alipearl Hair Company. I'm just showing you guys what I received. So I got a wig cap, some lashes, an edge brush, a melt band, a little pocket mirror, and a satin bag that I could put the wig in after as well. So this wig was a 13x4 frontal lace wig. Do you guys see the hairline? Okay. So it was already pre-plucked and bleached for you. I'm just showing you guys the inside of the wig. It has this little grip band inside of it to help the wig stay on your head. You can also tighten it and loosen it as well, and it's removable. So this is how the wig looks on my skin. Do you guys see this? They did such an amazing job. So this was a body wave in 24 inches. So let's get into this install. So my hair was already braided straight back into 6 flat braids. And I'm gonna go in with my Ruby Kisses concealer and my makeup brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the inside of the wig. This just helps me get a better melt. I am also going in with my free spray, as always, spraying my hairline, brushing all those hairs back so it doesn't get in the way, and then just using my blow dryer to dry it. Once that's done, I'm going to use the back of the comb on the wig and just stick it in the middle of my braids at the back like I just showed you. And I'm just gonna pull the wig all the way up. So once I can see that the wig is fitting my hairline properly and all that good stuff, I'm gonna go ahead and just pull it back just a little bit and use my Ebin adhesive. This is the red can one, and I'm just spraying that along my hairline. So what you see me doing is just literally tapping the product in once I spray it. And guys, it's been a while since I put on a frontal wig, so I definitely recommend cutting around your ears with that extra lace before doing this, but we're gonna continue. So once I've sprayed it and dried it a bit, I'm going to bring the wig back forward and just press it into where I sprayed the adhesive. And I'm just using my comb to help me make that pressure so that it sits well where I sprayed it. But as you can see, I do wish I cut off my air tabs, but it's fine. I'm just gonna go ahead now and part it out and cut it. So it did start lifting again, so I just have to go in and spray it a little bit more and dry it. So that's how easy it is, guys. There is no need for anything else. This is how I lay my wig. Spray and dry, spray and dry. So now I'm gonna go on the next side and cut off the extra lace around my ears as well. And once I've done that, I'm literally just gonna go in with the spray again and just spray it on top of the hairline. Use my comb to press it in and then go in with my blow dryer to make it dry. Now that that is done, I'm using my scissors and I'm creating slits in the lace to help me cut it. So I'm going in with a brow razor to just razor off the extra lace. And if you don't have a razor, you can use scissors, but just make sure you're going in a zigzag motion. The razor just allows it to not be a straight line, so it gives it more of a jaggedy effect. So once I finish removing all the lace, I'm just going to spray the adhesive one more time, and this is to just really melt the lace into my skin. So as you can see, I'm using the end of my tail comb and I'm just pressing the lace down. And once I've done that, I am going to use my blow dryer to dry it. And when we've done the entire frontal portion, I am going back in with my makeup brush. I did not add any more makeup on the brush. I'm just using what was left from when I first put it on the wig. And once I've just spread that everywhere, I'm going in with the melt band that was provided in the package for me, and I am just tying down the front portion of my hair. So this is how the body wave texture is looking. It looks more like curls, guys. Like, I could have left the curls like this, but we're not gonna do that today. I'm going to give myself a side part. The wig came with a middle part, but I decided I wanted to do a side part, cut some more layers in this wig, and just curl it up. So I'm going in with my wax stick, and I'm just spreading that to make sure I have a proper part, and I'm using my hot comb to just go ahead and flatten the wig out some more. So I'm also leaving out hairs that I want to cut into my sideburns, and I also did want to create like a little swoop, so I'm trying to comb it and see how much hair I'm going to cut for that as well. Yeah, you want to have the vision, guys. You want to have the vision. So I'm going to continue putting on the wax stick, making parts on the frontal area so that my wig is laying nice and flat. So now I'm just going back to cut out the hairs that I'm going to be leaving out for my swoop and my sideburns. So you want to make sure you're going to iron it in the direction you want it to lay in. And once I've done that, I just went in with my scissors and cut it. This was my first time cutting so much for a swoop, but it turned out really nice. So I went in with my mini flat iron, curled it a bit, and now I went in with my edge brush and the adhesive to make sure I lay it down flat and it stays. So that was a new thing, because before I wasn't really using adhesive, but now I like using it. So you guys can try it out. Let me know how you guys like it. Some people use mousse as well to give that fluffy effect, but yeah. So now I decided I was gonna cut some layers. I'm going back in with the scissors. So I cut layers all around the hair just so that my curls can just drop more seamless. It won't just drop curl for 2 minutes. So you want to cut those layers, make the curls look nice and bouncy. And once I've done that, I'm just going to section out the hair. Oh, went in with my hairspray. Yeah, make sure you use some hairspray so that your curls will hold. Went in with the hairspray, sprayed that all over, and then I went in with some sections. So I started off in the back. I am using my T3 curling iron. This is in that like little blush pink. If you guys know me, you know, like the colors will do it for me. So I'm just curling my hair, and once I've curled it, I am going to just pin it up. So yeah, once I finish curling, I'll be back. Yeah. So I went back in with my spray, sprayed it one more time, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let the curls down. Do you guys see how nice this is looking? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, you could just tell. So once I've took out all the clips, I am going in with a big tooth comb and I'm just gonna comb it through. Yeah, that's what the layers will do for you. Look how nice this is looking, guys. This was just so nice. So shout out to Alipearl Hair Company for sending over this unit, because guys, you can tell I was feeling myself. So if you guys are interested, all the details will be down in my description box below, so go ahead and check them out. Thanks for watching. If you're not already subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Comment down below, let me know how you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.